Even in the most advanced workshops, you see machines standing idle, tools underutilized, and components being scrapped. Previously, you had to rely on your experience alone. Is the process running as expected? What do you hear from the machining? What do you see when looking at this chip? In the digital factory of Industry 4.0, CoroPlus is your virtual eyes and ears inside the machine. Sensors built into the machining process and tools themselves talk to you in real time. And you set your tools not with wrenches, but with your connected devices. With digital machining, components are completed quicker, more cost-efficiently, and with better quality. And that's just the beginning. Machines and tools talking to each other enables increased automation. You now have the information you need to improve your process again and again and again. Explore our connected tools and solutions today at coroplus.sanvit.Coromat.